Hey guys, Max with GTN Official here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the best tech you can get for your car under $20. Now what I'm holding in my hands is the Vont Smart Car Light Strip. This was sent out to me by a representative from Vont. They reached out to me and said, hey, do you want to review our new product for your car? And of course, being the car enthusiast that I am, of course I said yes. I would love to. I love seeing budget tech for cars, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So let's get right over to the unboxing.
Alright, so starting right off with the unboxing, let's open this box up and see what's inside. Oh, buckle up, Buttercup. They are letting us know that this is going to go well. Here we have the light strip itself with a car charger port. Nice, so you don't have to wire it right onto the battery. A on-off switch, as it seems. Few zip ties. Those will probably be pretty handy. A code, a QR code for the included app with some instructions on the back, as well as an insider deal card. Alright, so before we set these up in my car, I do just want to run through what is included here. So on top of the car charging adapter, we do have a power on and off button. And then over here on the side with the 3M tape on the back for mounting, we have this little control switch, which has a power button, a color changing button, and a brightness controller. Now it is also important to note that this power switch isn't entirely necessary to use because these are not only Alexa compatible and Google Home compatible, but also compatible with a smartphone app that can control them entirely on its own without the need for any other cables or switches.
Alright, so I am out here in this beautiful Michigan weather, as you guys can see, with my baby, my 2010 Volkswagen Jetta, ready to install these lights. We're going to get them installed and see how it goes so I can show you guys how great these look.
Alright, so overall here, none of the wiring was too bad. The main hassle of this process was just finding a way to hide the wires and make sure they aren't seen or in the way of anything, as well as finding a way to untangle them and make sure that they are straightened so that they can be hidden in the first place. The whole process took me less than 15 minutes, and once I got the hang of it, it was pretty intuitive to do so it shouldn't be too bad for anybody looking to do this themselves. Alright, so I kind of ran the cable under the trim a little bit. As you can see, it's still visible there. I'm still going to work on it. But in this area right down here, it does go directly under the trim to make it just a little bit, less noticeable, more clean, and harder to see when you're driving. So let's get back to the installation for the back seats. Alright, keep in mind I do still have to improve the cable management a bit, and it is pretty bright out, so it will be hard to see, but here comes the moment of truth. Let's test out if this works. Light came on, and there you go, there are lights. Haven't mounted the remote quite yet, but let's try changing the colors. There it goes, changing colors. We'll be back here at nighttime to see how this looks at night. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is now dark out around me. It is nighttime here in Michigan, so we are going to take a look at how these lights look in the dark. Let's get right into it. Alright, so time to start up the car and see how these lights came out. The lights are on. Oh wow, actually that is really cool. Wow. A lot of different color options here too. Here is what the lights look like in the actual car. You can see they look really nice. They came out very clean. You can kind of see the light bleeding in through there too. Here they are in the back. And on the other side as well. And all the way into the front. The lights don't show at all. You can't really see the actual light strips, but it looks really good. It looks really clean from where they're coming from. Alright, so I am now in the Vont app, and as you can see here, there's a lot of options for you. You can control the brightness of the lights. You can change the mode that they are in, being music, color, scene, or DIY, which is a create your own mode. Music, it will sync the lights to the music. Not personally my favorite, but it is a pretty cool option. You can also change the color of the lights. There are a ton of color options here to choose from, and create anything you want in terms of colors through the color wheel. So as you can see, I just saved that color to my colors. There, now I can select it just like that. So the app is pretty cool. So overall, these are a pretty cool product and a great way to soup up your car for under $20. I do want to give a huge thank you to Vont for sending these out. If you do want to pick some up for yourself, the link will be in the description below.
With that said, thank you all so much for watching, and this is GTN Official, signing off.